eat this. Ooh, this is what I'm waiting for. I'm in the kitchen, that's why you can hear water. Kind of noodle is this? This is very big noodle. Tick, 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 tick. Wow, yummy. So, start. I have to start eating this. Oh, yummy. Thanks God. I can eat now. This is what I've been waiting for 5 minutes. Go from the matita. Sorry. Because it's already 10 o'clock in the morning and still I have to eat my breakfast even though it is late. And my supernatural man and creator mystery. Oh, that's great. What you have subscribed to my channel. Okay. Okay, thanks for coming to my live stream. And thank you for introducing yourself to me now on my live stream. So I'm glad to meet you. Nice meeting you. It's an honor for me to know you, to know about you. As of now, if you excuse me, I have to eat my breakfast because I'm so very hungry now. It's already, oh my God, because it's already 10 o'clock and 5 minutes in the morning. Let's eat! Itadakimasu! Kain tayo. Let's eat! Ooh. Wow! We cannot forget this. I cannot forget this. Let's eat, everybody. What fish to cook, Bruno? Japanese. It's a mackerel over there, over here, and this one I forgot. Mackerel fish. But I'm now eating cup noodle. Do you know cup noodle? This one. I really love to eat this because it's very cold again here. Yummy. I love this so much. Tonkotsu. They call this Yokohama Lake Tonkotsu Shoyu Ramen. So I have